Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing and looking at WHHWYF handmade toys. From the mobile app video game Genshin Impact Sakura Bunny Girl. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look inside. Coming straight out of the package. She looks like she has 3 sets of swords and a scabbard in the back. Here's the 3 sets of swords. Here's a scabbard. Here is a display stand. And I gotta let Alice in for a second. Hold on, I'll be right back. She was out there talking to a commuter as he was rolling by on a scooter. Okay, so coming back to the subject, okay, of Sakura from Genshin Impact. She comes with 3 swords, 1 scabbard, special effects, which is a swoosh mark, which I think if any toy maker, I believe you should have special effects incorporated with it, other than just the 3 face, other than the interchangeable faces and the interchangeable hands. Sometimes they just skimp out on that and just give you just swappable hands and maybe a weapon. And then, you're left searching online for a custom face, like I have been looking for my Superwoman Flash, Sasha Kala. But anyhow, still no luck. I mean, the ones I have found are just terrible renderings. It's like, man. So we're gonna go ahead. As we peel back the layers to further showcase the mobile app character from Genshin Impact, Bunny Woman, Bunny Lady, Sakura. Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta grab me a box cutter. Okay, so we just gotta take our box cutter here and just cut out our protective wrapping. So as you can see, the swoosh effect right here that I'm pointing into, that is a very nice feature. And looks like we got a couple more wrappings to unwrap here, so we're gonna go ahead and free her from this plastic prison. I am a trained, skilled professional, so don't cut towards you. Cut away from you. I'm pretty sure I made a lot of doctors mad by posting in my recent recent content, me at work, framing, building, outside of steel construction, showing you the proper ways and techniques is gonna cost you money. And I know there's a lot of landowners and homeowners out there that are watching that video like, okay, now if you could just show me, and then that's where you'll have to, pay me, and I'll wear a body cam on me all day, and you can kind of experience what I go through. And the video might be 8 hours long, and it's a little bit outside of the review, but as you can see, this is how I generate the monetary income necessarily needed for me to collect the collectibles that you see in the background, the Masters of the Universe, the animes. A little bit of my time bring out to showcase to those that are curious, that are interested in purchasing these outside of the normal work field. So this is, kind of after hours, and my comic collectibles, remember the diorama tutorials and reviews of manga, western, anime, action figures. Oops. Okay, all three of her faces fell, so I will have to pick them all up. Just 1 second. Okay, so it took me a moment. I had to find all three of the faces that fell in the office when I was trying to. I don't know. Well, they were protected with the plastic that's over somewhere that threw else over. Anyway, so she comes like this. She comes with 4 different faces. Here's one, the one that she comes with initially that I'm pointing at. And then here's the 3 right here, which I'll bring up close. So that way you can see. She got a happy, pleased face. She got a angry, like, stoic face. Like, what? And then she got this, smiley, pleasant face. And then she got this, like, happy expression face. So the figure was around $20. So for $20, I got 4 faces, bunny ears right here, the Genshin Impact doll, or action figure, collectible memorabilia, and what I thought was pretty neat was that they have a whole bunch of variety of different things other than hand gestures. She got a game controller, she's got headphones, she got some kind of thing that plug in that's a special effect, and I just dropped something that I need. So be right back. So what was dropped was this hand. I think it might have came out of the package. See, it looks like she still. Oh, yeah, it did come out of the package. Either that or wasn't in the package. Either way. So she comes with multiple hands. Here, I know you probably can't see it. But now we're gonna go ahead and take her out, throw on the bunny ears. Get into some posing with her, see exactly. Okay, it's plugged into her head like so. It's a very soft plastic. Got that in there. Ooh, nice, nice. And I do like the color. I know the glare is a little bit bad probably, but I'll move the camera around here so that way you can kind of see without so much of the glare that you might be seeing as a viewer. Definitely don't want to put too much of a bend in here, but it looks like if I angle it down, let's see how it is going to look first. Look like that. From front. Well, all in all, she is a very exceptional figure. When you can apply on the secondary ear. I just don't want to do it right now because I feel like I'll break it, but I still got to put it down because this is a figure review, and why didn't I try to put it down? Her other ear. All in all, she is really nice. She has different layers of hair, which I think might be posable, or they have their own individual take, which they are posable, much like the ears. And then you can see in the back side the display This is like a nice kind of hard, soft plastic right here, and it does say something. Turn the light on here, torch on. So this is what she looks like. Right beside me is the building diorama that I had just built right there. That is 2 feet tall and 4 3/8 inches, just to give a little height for the clearance of like the TMNT or Masters of the Universe or Zootropolis, Zootopia, Disney Mirrorverse, you know, where they live at. Right next to the arcade. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm going to be able to install the subway train system. So that way we can film train scenes. Well, this is pretty upsetting. I don't know. I didn't think putting on an ear would take this long. I do apologize for any inconvenience. But, I don't know, maybe I might have to either put her in warm water first to soften her head. So that way I can go ahead and plug in this earpiece without disassembling it or weakening the point to where it would snap on us, because we don't want that. It's okay, Alice, it's okay. So hopefully everybody's been doing good on their collection and their collecting, and come this way with it. Turn it. I almost feel like I kind of disfigured her ear, but it's there. Here, turn off the torch right here. So now we can go ahead and see. And she is lovely. So this is what she looks like. And she does come with multiple face plates. I think she does have an ab crunch. Definitely something in there for sure. Her arms can rotate around. I always find it fascinating, being, you know, buying something that's like this, that's already pre-manufactured and built, and then taking my Assault Angel right here, which is my Soul Bee for my Darkstalker series, which she's already famous over there where she's from. She's an import, but I built her. Unlike this one where, you know, unlike the majority of these that you see behind the wall that are mass printed and built, she is a model kit, fully posable. See if you can focus on. There we go. Here, I'll throw the light on, so we kind of see our Assault Angel. But she is one of the Soul Bees. The Queen Bee is actually inside of a spaceship right now, and I'm protecting her feet because I like the way how they're designed, but there really isn't no toe hinge there, and one of her foot is a little loose, so I just put it in there just due to it being over $100 figure. It's probably more now, I don't know. But as I kind of just patiently wait for the pre-order sale for Morgan Ainsland to arrive, because I first started this channel right here as a Darkstalker Camcom channel for collectibles. When Storm Collectibles made Lord Dimitri here, I kind of figured that maybe the rest would follow in suit within the same year, like as you see the Masters of the Universe, and it's just been kind of periodic. So 2 years later, here in 2023, they finally made a Morgan Ainsland action figure, which, you know, I'm a avid Darkstalker collector. Uh, I got the original drawings, and you know, I got my comics, memorabilia, and then I even got the collectible cards here in a case that you see right there that I haven't even opened up yet, that I still want to go get graded from PSA. But then again, it's like I'd just rather wait to see them at a local comic book convention and then go in there and then get it quickly graded myself instead of waiting so long of a period of time. Because I'd rather just pay the money up front and then get it right then and there, 15 or an hour or whatever it is, for them to say that that grade is going to be a PSA 10, because I know, or 9 or 10, 11, because I know it's not going to be 1. You know? And that's what kind of got me into collecting the anime cards, but you see the Lorcana, the Pokemon, the Dragon Ball Z. So you know, a lot of my collecting has to attribute with the Darkstalkers. So eventually, when the line comes out, because I've seen some pictures and stuff like that circulating online about them building figures and things, that way I go ahead and complete the collection. As we look at the new downloadable, collectible Sakura Bunny Girl, which is going to be my Officer Judy Hopps. Here she is, Officer Judy Hopps. Right here. As I'm kind of building her along, January 16th is my expected arrival, which I was waiting since August 31st to actually October 31st. I ordered it in August, but for the 3-pack of the McFarlane Gold Label 3-pack princesses for Disney Universe, and that is Princess Mulan, Princess Ariel, and Fractured Princess Belle. And, you know, I've been already assembling my cast of characters. The harder ones to get were the Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde. But, yeah, so she's going to use a spell book, turn herself into our Genshin Impact Bunny Girl as our April O'Neil from Mutant Love Story, our Mutant Love Interest. Gets transformed into the blue Ninja Turtle in the series. Also starring our He-Man. Custom building a kimono for him right now. So here is our April O'Neil. They're the world's most shelled out fighting team. That's a fact, Jack. Their shells armored and they're green. Totally tubular, dude. They're the world's most shelled out ninja fighting team. So that's, you know, for a size comparison, April O'Neil roughly stands at 6 inches, and our Gaisha Bunny Girl stands roughly about 7 to 8 inches, including the bunny height of the ears. So do I think she's a great figure? Yes. Do I think she should go out and collect her? Absolutely. She don't seem to have any loose components. She can do the splits. For those ninja kick moves. She has that kind of height reach. Right here. You could throw on some special effects from Chun-Li, and now it looks like she'd be flash kicking. And then with her hair, being able to pose it with different flexibility points in it, and her ears changing different directions, much like our Officer Judy Hopps, brings your character a little more personality and brings it to life, I feel like. Also, while I was out, I was able to pick up a artisan rug from one of my favorite spots to go miniature shopping for D. Critter. And it's this carpet right here. So now we're going to get into her faceplates that are swappable. Lay her down on her casing, and first we're going to pull out the pleasant smiley face, kind of, right here. So we can kind of see. Take off the glare a little bit. There we go. Focus. Whoa. Okay, here we are. So there's one of the faces. The second one's more of a, like, she's like an angry, upset, and like, and this is like where she don't really have any pupils showing. So we kind of see. Pardon the glare. It's just where I'm probably stationed at, right here. And then she has the very pleasant face, like, you just got done eating some ramen noodles. Oh, yes. See if I can get this to focus here. Come on, focus on the face. Are you fucking serious?